recording. So today we're going to talk about net worth, assets, and liabilities. So how much is someone or a family worth?
All right, assets are things you own. They're paid off, fully paid off. Liabilities are debts that you owe. Okay, so you're still making payments on it. A loan, a credit card. So your net worth is the value of assets minus liabilities. So assets minus liabilities equals your net worth. That is not on your reference material. That is something you know. A positive net worth indicates that the value of your assets is greater than the value of your liabilities. A negative net worth indicates that the value of your liabilities is greater than the value of your assets. Right? We good? All right, so we are going to do a quizzes. So if you go to quizzes.com, they're going to ask you the difference in assets and liabilities, and there's about 20 of them.
Okay, let's look at example 1. The table shows some assets and liabilities. We're going to create and organize a financial assets and liabilities record, so a net worth statement. Okay, and so here are the items. All right, and so the item and then the value. And then over here is where they separated them with assets and liabilities. Are we good? So, if you don't want to create a whole nother table, I just have students go down and do that. That's another option. Okay. Car is paid off, so that's yours. Jewelry is yours. Okay. So what are the cash savings? That is $850. The car that's paid off is $3,100, and jewelry is $990. So to determine the value of the assets and liabilities, what do we have to do? Add them all up. Let me know what you get. 4,900. Good. So your total assets are 4,940. Okay. Credit card debt is $1,025, and your student loan is $1,900. Let's get a total of our liabilities. $2,925. So to construct a net worth statement, what's our equation that we have to remember? Good. So your assets minus liabilities. So what is sum's net worth when you subtract? You got it. 2015. Okay. Is this a positive or negative net worth? Good. So a positive. Scroll it. There we go. Net worth means that the value of some's assets is greater than the value of her liabilities. Okay. Are we good? Questions? All right. So down below, I want you to try with your table these two problems. So separate assets and liabilities, and then use your equations to determine net worth. All right, the table shows some of Bradley's assets and liabilities. Determine Bradley's net worth. Lovely. Heart happy. Good. The value of the assets. Wait, how'd you get that? And you got 41,000? Because there's 3.
7,900.
You may have added an extra 0 somewhere.
Oh.
Lovely. Total value of the liabilities. Subtract. Mm-hmm. It is a negative. What does that mean? So Bradley owes more, right? Good. Let's give her one big clap. 1, 2, 3. Number 2, the table shows some of Gina's assets and liabilities. Let's determine her net worth. So you had to separate your assets and liabilities. Could you show us that?
Yeah.
And you can simply just put A and L next to each. Lovely. Awesome. 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 And they were kind of separated already. Good. Total value of her liabilities. Good. Total value of her assets. That looks like my paper. Good. Gina's net worth is $790. One big clap. 1, 2, 3. Questions? Not bad, right? Okay. All right, so let's go to quizzes.com. There are 12 questions. This will count as another grade.